All right, let's do a legendary Phantom. Show you what we got in here. 4 technicals, 8 buzzsaw. Over here we have Nick, Serb, 4 escorts. Let's go in and do this. First step. Just clear a little bit out of the front. So we send in the Nicktoon. Right there. Deselect, deselect. All right, put them all on hold. They're all on hold. Now we will bring in Chopper Company. Keep the Chopper Company all the way to the bottom of the screen. You got to get to the back. Stay away from him. He will kill you. First time in, I got too close, and he damaged Chopper quite a bit. Stay on the bottom of the screen. You're okay. All the way over here. We're going to go run up this side. When we get up here, we'll kill off a few of these little pesky helicopters. Get to right about here, and we'll stop. And then Chopper Company will take out these little pesky helicopters. Go get them. Get up in the corner, all the way up in the corner. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to take out these 2 hunters. We're just staying away from stuff. Come over here, right about here. Then we got to inch forward until we get these guys. So that's about where I start. And I just inch forward. As soon as he contacts them, he should get them this time. There we go. They're gone. Then I'll move down here. Okay, move down here. He'll take out these guys. He'll go over here and take out a few of these guys. Move right down to about there. He'll take out a couple of them. He won't be able to reach him, so then we'll have to move down a little bit further. He'll take out these 2. Now he can reach him. He'll come in. When he comes in, he'll kill him. And he'll come over here. When he comes over here, we're going to attack. We're going to take out the command center. All right, take out the command center. As soon as the command center's down, we're retreating. That's it. We're out of there. Okay, now we're going to go up here. These guys are ready to go. Get our Nicktoon. We got our... All right, as soon as the tanks get here, we'll kill them with our 4 escorts. Then we'll get them out of here. And we'll bring in the things that kill the Phantom. So these guys are going to attack our Serb. All right, when they get to here, our escorts will take them out. Come on, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Come on, come on, come on, a little bit more right there. Take them out. Okay, get rid of them. Then we bring in put them on hold. All right, guess what we do now? Nothing. We just sit and wait. He's going to fly down there. He's going to fly. Let's see where he goes next. Okay, he's going to fly across here. He's going to fly across here, and he's going to come in. So when he comes in, we'll kill him. Next thing he does, he flies across here. Then he comes in. When he comes in, we'll do damage. It'll take a couple minutes, but it won't be long. Fly over here, then come in right above our troops. Let's see how much damage we can give them. See? Doing some good damage. Excellent. Good job, guys. And just sit there. Do nothing. That's all you do. Sit and wait. My best time was 8 minutes and 43 seconds, which I was shocked. Normally I get about 7:45, something like that. First couple times I ran out of time because I didn't know what I was doing. Cotton picking rookie. It's all right. Going to fly up here, then he's going to come in. If we work this right, he may die this time. You'll know if he dies because he won't drop any bombs. So that's what you're looking for. See if he drops bombs. If he doesn't drop bombs, he's dead. Okay, watch. Oh, no, he's not dead. He's dropping bombs. One more trip through. We got close. He'll fly across here. Come on. He'll fly across here. Then he's going to come in. We should get him this time. Again. Just sit. That's it. He's dead. Just watch for bombs. No bombs. He's dead. He's toast. Thank you for your service. Congratulations. We got thorium. That's it. No damage to either one of them. Go in the base, see how much damage we got to our chopper. Uses about 4 minutes, which means instant repair. Four minutes and 4 seconds. Instant repair. Nicktoon. No damage. Phantom Tune. No damage. That's it.